The opposition Congress on Friday staged a protest by boycotting the address by the Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy for his recent tweet against the people of Kashmir. The opposition member decided not to attend Roy's maiden address during the first day of budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, besides skipping the photo session as well. Speaking to the reporters before the start of the session, leader of opposition Mukul Sangma said, the Congress Legislature Party has decided to boycott the governor address on Friday. Citing the reason for such decision, Sangma said the governor had tweeted that all Kashmiri goods should be boycotted and people should not visit Kashmir, adding, does it argue well for the nation when a person who is holding a constitutional post not less than a governor of a state can engage in this kind of message which is capable of creating a rift among the citizens of the nation?
Immediately after the incident in Kashmir, he tweeted saying that all the Kashmiri goods should be boycotted. People should not visit Kashmir. Does it augur well for the nation when a person who is holding a constitutional post, not less than the governor of a state, can engage in this kind of message which is capable of creating a rift among the nation? We have seen what has happened immediately after the incident in Kashmir. Lots of lynching were happening across the nation against Kashmiris, and that was the time when our governor of Meghalaya tweeted this. When there is a terrorist attack there, the nation's fight is against the terrorists, not against the community or the people. It's very clear. Now, will such people, like the governor of Meghalaya, if there is an event of any terrorist attack in the Northeast, tell the country that now boycott Northeast, boycott the goods of Northeast? This is the kind of people who are dividing the nation and trying to give fodder to the anti-national forces. And therefore, in order to send a strong message, because such an important thing which has happened, no media has picked up, no national media has even picked up this issue and generated any debate. If I would say that immediately after this tweet, the Prime Minister should have pulled up the governor, he should have been removed from the office in the best interest of the nation, to send a strong message and to vindicate what he said to the country, to the nation. कि हमारा यूथ उग्रवादी का खिलाफ है, कश्मीरियों का साथ नहीं।